TokyoWhite lotion in 250 ml is a premium body lotion that contains highly effective whitening ingredients of glutathione and vitamins C and E, enhanced by natural whiteners from Arbutin and Grape seed extract that helps whiten skin naturally. It also has vitamin E to promote skin hydration and deep moisturization for soft and smooth whitened skin glow. Using the quality standards of Japanese skin whitening technology, TokyoWhite will help you achieve a naturally petal soft, cherry blossom smooth, pinkish white Japanese skin glow. How to use: apply evenly all over your body after taking a bath. Pump a generous amount onto the palm of your hand. Spread evenly all over your legs, arms, belly, shoulders, neck, and chest. Best used on damp skin for aided absorption into the skin. For best results, use with TokyoWhite Natural Whitening and Moisturizing Face and Body Soap. Matte finish look and non-sticky when applied to the skin. On my left arm, where I place the TokyoWhite lotion, and on the right hand, there's no lotion. Actually, this product is made in the Philippines, but using the quality standards of Japanese skin whitening technology. Shelf life of this is 1 year. If you wish to have this mochi skin look using TokyoWhite lotion, you can have this purchased in any Watson stores nationwide and also in Lazada and Shopee online shops. Thank you for watching. See you in my next videos.